nature choose to operate this way, then you find yourself reminiscing about the old days and why life take a man as a prey. I sit and wonder, like why couldn't now be like the old days when everything was mass, moved, groovy and swayed up in my town. Don't have to hear that gunshot sound, breathing in mad pollution while dead bodies steady being found. But still we ignore the negative aspects of life, trying to keep it nice. But all in all, I had to pack my steel device. Yeah, my back ahead is factoring any attack. We bump heads like that, and we constantly remain strapped. Till one day we went to this party, met this fly chick when they played Lottie Lottie. Squeezed her up and continued to parley. Boyfriend got jealous, got some kids from Broadway. So I took the Glock off safety with care and played it off by rubbing through this girl's nice curly hair. I stared at my man, looked at me and knew it was time. He read my mind. Pop, pop, pop goes the line. Have you ever lost a brother and then you wonder why nature choose to operate this way? Then you find yourself reminiscing about the old days and why life take a man as a prey. Have you ever lost a brother and then you wonder why nature choose to operate this way? Then you find yourself reminiscing about the old days and why life take a man as a prey. Delay on certain sound waves around my way. Keep it calm cause 5-0's trying to creep the day. It's mad hot. Not only the sun but the block. Then I find myself focusing on the cop's clock. My left over shoulder told me to grab it and run, while the right danger one said,
Wake up, please chill, son.
I was finting to grab the gun and have fun, but I'll be dissing God if I didn't listen. It was a choice to be made between the two to fear, but if it wasn't for the man I wouldn't be here. So I reacted on my instincts. I know it stinks trying to find the missing link, scare away the bad jinx. You see my sticks and stones will leave nothing but bones. Chronic helps me carry on as well as help me shine my chrome. My little has always got my guard when it's hard, not to mention all my other brothers which is at the bar. Have you ever lost a brother and then you wonder why nature choose to operate this way? Then you find yourself reminiscing about the old days and why life take a man as a prey. Have you ever lost a brother and then you wonder why nature choose to operate this way? Then you find yourself reminiscing about the old days and why life take a man as a prey. Akon and his buddy actually passed the first wreck properly. Now you see how to not become the victim of the static. We got the boy, now they after us with the automatics. As a bifal I did what I had to. It was all about who pulled the trigger faster, but I guess nobody flipped the shot too quick. I'm on the hit, so I remind myself never to flip. But still I have extreme raw deal for my man. Having dreams that this floating on top of land. Sleeping open, it dictates his life, aims high, and hoping that it don't mean that he will soon die. But I guess nature spoke for itself. All I have left is now is my wealth. Peace, bro. I hope it doesn't happen to